Alright, I've taken out what it's called a ham steak, although it hasn't been cured and turned into a ham. This would be the cut. We're taking 2 cuts off with the bone because I'm going to have them as a steak, a pork steak, a ham steak, and barbecue it. But I will trim all this up and we're going to make some jerky. I'm going to brine it. And next week we'll be, in a week's, just over a week's time, we'll be smoking this down or dehydrating, which we use a variety of methods, not sure yet. We'll be making jerky. Alright, just going to get things ready here. Although I'm going to be doing up different bags for the jerky, but there is one common element. Just for my curing is the curing salt, my kosher salt, my sugar and black pepper. Okay. A heaping teaspoon. My curing salt. I'm going to do 2 tablespoons of the kosher salt. Mix that in. And then some sugar. 2, 3. Just going to mix that in and set that aside. Just cutting this into strips, and then I'll sprinkle my mixture over. And these items I'll be making up individual bags with different flavors. Okay, so I'll cut away and be back. I've got everything cut up into strips. I'll show you the different sizes. These strips. Okay. Let's just sprinkle this all on. I've been doing up some of this. It's the fat. I render it into many things, like soups. Let's give it some flavorings. Come along nicely. Here we go. Another step to progress. There we go. A nice mix done. Worcestershire sauce, soy sauce, garlic powder, chopped garlic, crushed black pepper, onion powder. Done. There we go. Hey baggy done. Pork ham steaks with my homemade barbecue sauce. Hasn't been brined to make it a ham, but it's the cut. It's a beautiful cut too. Just checking. Meat's coming along from my jerky. Like when I'm brine the hams and the bacon. It mix every day. I'm doing the same for this. I say it's worth the time. Everything's worth the time. Just working it in. Very good. Very happy. Good day. Alright, I have been brining, marinating these strips of pork for 6 days now. Look at 6 days. But every day I was going in the fridge, just been kept in the fridge. And I would turn the bags over, work them all of it in. It's really absorbed over the week. Color change, everything beautiful. So I'm going to put it on my little smoker. Not my infusion one, it's my low smoker, my little chief. And we're going to do this today. Got snow coming this week. We had snow the other day. Nice snow in the tree branches. That calls for jerky. Don't you think? Let's load them up on the racks. Well, that's a day of smoking. It's quite good. There we go. That's enough for today. Nice big batch. What I've been doing, I had smoked my jerky. And it was very cold out, very low temperature smoke. Gets dark early. So I just did it for the day. And I'm dehydrating the rest in an Instant Pot. And it has come up beautifully. And this is how it was. This is my last pieces to go in for dehydration. Just when packaging, these are after dehydrating, just some additional trimmings of the fat I took off. This I will be keeping, of course, as these are fantastic flavor boosts to soups, to pork and beans. Or I can come up with many things. But nothing goes to waste. And that's with like any good restaurant or a good butcher. Nothing goes to waste.